Hey YouTube, this is a bike check. Starting from the front, have some Real People bars, Eastern grips, S&M Redneck XLT stem, Real People forks, the Nation Deviant rim laced to it, and Eastern hub, Eastern curb monkey tire, same S&M frame, We the People pivotal seat, purple animal seat post clamp, premium 25-2 sprocket, KMC chain, salt cranks, Alienation black sheep rim with the 9-tooth driver, Primo spokes. It's salt, pitch flow, fit bottom bracket, and I think that's it. I also have some bars for sale. They're Eastern, came off of a stock Eastern bike, 8-inch rise, 28 wide, and ODYSSEY dirt forks, 41 thermal dirt forks. Let me see if I can. It says ODYSSEY somewhere right there. Let me see if I can find it real quick. It says ODYSSEY right there. Pretty sure you can't see it, but ODYSSEY dirt forks, 41 thermal. They're not bent at all. It does not have an integrated headset bang race thingamajigger, but I have the one that goes on here. I also have the dust cap. Right there. I will comment, rate, subscribe, and just leave me a comment below if you want some of my parts. Thanks.